Hi, welcome back. While you were off making your decision, we were still stuck in Tall making ours.
And here's what we decided to do.
Okay, so the decision we were faced with was really difficult.
The first option, well, I just canceled that out because I don't want to go back.
We had come to Nepal to go to Manang and talk to the high school students up there.
I hope we make it to Manang so much.
That basically was the point of us coming here, so that we could get up to Manang, go to the high school, and visit kids our age.
Honestly, I hate backtracking, so I would be pissed a lot.
If that means taking a helicopter, if that means hiking without a pack for like 4 days straight, I don't know. I want to get to Manang.
Option 2, the alternative route.
This way. What's long route?
We would have got to Manang if we made it, but we just didn't want to risk injury. We know that, it's a very dangerous route.
Injured students would not be able to make the hike.
So we thought that we would take the chance and try to get a helicopter.
That was our answer. That was our hope.
We didn't know how long it would take or if it would even happen at all.
Sounds like a busy signal.
We didn't know whether we were going to spend, 12 days trying to get contact of a helicopter and then discover it wasn't possible.
It disconnected.
Oh, we've been stuck here for 2 days or like 2.5 days. Too long. I don't know.
How is this unpeaceful?
I'm just a little bit, bored.
Ini saksa dia ni, eh? Come on.
Victor, can you put that other one on here?
I could, but I'd rather just have it
I
killed.
gave it to you.
नाम के हो नेपाली?
नेपाली में जुगा.
Huh?
Juga.
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 So this Juga.
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 Namaste Juga.
I don't know. The worst part about being stuck here is not being able to move. It's just like feeling a pending something. That's the part of every good adventure.
We had seen a helicopter, a military helicopter, fly overhead to Tall. So, that gave us a little bit of hope that maybe we could go arrange for one to pick us up because we're only across the river, right? So we'd have to contact the military first to maybe get a lead into how to get a helicopter. So we decided to make flags set up on a rock, and everyone was going with their shirts and jackets and whatnot. And actually we got their attention, and we actually had people on the other side of the bank looking at us.
We sent someone over the mountain on the alternative route to Tall, where they talked with the Nepali military.
That was kind of a big moment too, because we were just hoping that maybe they could spare a helicopter for us.
Okay, so I'm here with the Supreme Colonel Lieutenant, who has pretty much saved our butts. He has helped us organize getting a helicopter, which will be arriving in about an hour. We've been trying for about 3 days to do this, and in about one night he just was like, oh, no problem.
You're a very good teacher, I know that.
On your body. You're a very good Colonel Lieutenant.
Okay, thank you very much.
Getting the helicopter wasn't only a good decision, I think it was the best decision we could have made, but it also had a good outcome.
Oh, that was sick. That was probably one of the coolest things I've ever done.
Oh, my ears.